Are you trying to type a same email over and over again, writing a same follow-up messages, sending identical responses, or creating similar announcement every week? Well, Microsoft just solved your problem. Now the new Outlook have a powerful feature which is mail templates that will let you to create a new one, reuse it, and that will be the complete game changer and very productive. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mail Smartly. I'm Amit Bansal and I'm recently received an award from Microsoft as an MVP. And today I'm going to show you step by step method how you can use those mail templates and reuse them according to your requirement. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own template from scratch, how to reuse those templates and send the emails in seconds, how to import your old OFT file which you generally use in Outlook Classic, how to edit or manage your templates library, and how you can finally share your template with your colleagues. So let's jump on in. All right, let's create your first email template. So first go to the home ribbon and click on new. Now from the drop down, you have to select mail to draft a new email. And you can also just press Ctrl N as a keyboard shortcut to open the new email. So I have already created a sample introduction, the new laptop Millennium now available. This is the template to show you how this works. I have already added the subject line, the message body. I have also added the image of my product. I have added the key highlights, few technical specification in a form of table. I have to share the product catalog and I have also added the hyperlinks over here, and that's it. So once your email look perfect, go to the message tab and look for mail template button. So in my case, when I click on message tab, my mail template is available far right. So click on it and you have couple of options here. So what you have to select is save email as template. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your template. Choose something descriptive that you will easily recognize later. So I choose new product status update. Then click save and that's it. Your template is now saved and ready to use. The great thing is that these templates are stored in the cloud. So you will be available on any device where you access your Outlook account. There is an important message. Whatever you put in a subject line become a default template name, but you can change it before saving. Keep your template name clear and organized. Trust me, when you have 20 or 30 templates, good naming conventions are the lifesavers. So you will see template created. You are in template edit mode. Change will be saved to the template. So currently I close this. Now I will show you how to use the mail template. The quickest way is to go to home tab once again. Now click on this drop down next to the new and select mail from template. This opens this template library where you can pick any saved template. So in my case, I have only one template which I have just saved. Simply select it and your template is ready to use. Now my new email open with all your formatting, images and content already in place. Now all I need to do is customize any detail and hit send. This will allow me to make some changes already in the template, and I can enter the email address of the sender. I can add the CC, I can add the BCC and simply hit send. I have seen in this new Outlook, if you are creating a new email and after creating your mail, if you want to insert your mail template now, it is difficult for you because there is no such new option over here. And if you go to this mail template and click on this drop down, it will also not allow you to insert the template from here. So you have to use the mail template from the initial stage while creating your email. One important thing is to remember, templates are saved per account. So if you have multiple accounts in Outlook, the template you create are specific to whichever account you were using when you create them. Now I will show you how you can access your template. Where is your template saved? So for that you have to click on the setting. There are two options to go to the setting. First option is you will see this gear symbol which is available on the top right corner of your screen, and you can also use this file tab and click on this setting. So currently I use this option. Click on settings. Now I will click on this mail from the left navigation section. Now I will use templates. Now here you will see the list of all your templates organized by account. If you have multiple accounts connected, now you will see you can click on this add template to add your template. I will show you this feature later in this video. First I will show you my listed template which I have already created here. So you will see this is the added template name. You can simply click on this pencil icon and you can change the name over here. Once you have changed it, click on this save template name. The name will be changed. Now delete template, simply click on it and your template will be removed from here. And this is the download template option. When you click on this download template, it will be saved in your local drive. Now here something important. You cannot directly edit template from the setting page. But don't worry, there is an easy workaround. So to edit it, what I need, I simply click on this new mail from template, select it. Now, if I need to make some changes over here, so what I do, I remove this now available from the subject. So I just simply change the subject. Now again go to this mail template, click save email as template. Now what I need to do is to edit the template. So I simply select this one, the existing one. What I am doing, I am just overwriting this. So in that overwriting, the existing template will be changed. So I select this, click save, and you will see my template updated. You are in template edit mode. Changes will be saved in the template. That means I have not created a new template. I simply overwrited it. So I'll show you. I close this, click here, mail from template. See, now my subject is updated. So that way, not only subject, you can change the body, you can change the image, you can change anything you want and you simply overwrite it. Now I will show you how to delete the template. It's very easy. I need to go to the settings, but this time I will click this setting option, click on it, go to mail, select templates, and here is the delete button, which I have already told you. Click on it and the system asks me delete template. Do you want to delete template? New product status update. When I hit OK, the template will be removed. One thing to keep in mind, you can save up to 50 email templates in new Outlook. For most people, that's more than enough. But if you are hitting that limit, it is good time to clean up old templates you are not using anymore. Now I will show you how you can import OFT files from Outlook Classic. So if you have been using Classic Outlook, you probably have templates saved as OFT file. So in this new Outlook, Microsoft provided you the option to import those templates into your new Outlook. So here, how to do it. In the settings, I have already in the templates, click on templates, add templates. Now you will see this dialog box. So you have two options over here. First, choose. When you click on this choose, it will allow you to import your saved template from your local drive, or you can simply use this path. Generally, in Outlook Classic, all your templates are saved in a specific location, which is decided by Microsoft Outlook itself. So when you click on this path is copied, click on the folder, any folder, paste your path over here and hit enter. See, you are forwarded to this folder and you have couple of OFT files available. Currently in my case, I don't have any OFT file because I am not using Outlook Classic anymore. So once your file is available, you can simply import that template in your new Outlook and hit add. So currently you can only import one OFT file at a time. If you have lot of templates, but Microsoft has announced that bulk import uploading multiple OFT files at once is coming in early 2026. So that's something to look forward to. So here's something really important to understand. Templates created in new Outlook are cloud stored only. They do not appear in classic Outlook templates folder, and you cannot use new Outlook templates in classic Outlook. These two systems are separate, so if you switch back to fourth between classic and new Outlook, you will need to maintain separate templates libraries. So if you have found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It's really helped the channel, and if you want more Outlook tips and Microsoft 365 tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.